Hi viewers, today we're looking at the sum function in Mysql Workbench. So first of all, we're going to use the world database, and we're going to select the sum value for the population column in the city table. And we're going to run that and see what it gives us. As you can see below, we have the sum of the city table population column within Mysql Workbench. We can give the calculation a name, an alias name, so we can say as total pop, and run that again. As you can see, it's given an alias name of total pop for total population, and that's a sum function within Mysql Workbench.